ab exercises. You gotta train abs 3 times a week, at least the minimum. Don't be lazy. Get your fat ass up. Go on the gym or do it at home. Variate them, superset it, and make it happen. Sit-ups and crunches. No, you gotta mix it up. You gotta do variation. You gotta do higher reps. You gotta do supersetting back to back to back. That's how you make it work. That's how you get abs like this. Alright? This enough, guys. Water is very good. It keeps you hydrated and it cleanses you very well. It just flushes your system, so you want to make sure you sure you're up on your cardio. Cardio is key, guys. Now, some people don't have great genetics, so you can't really, you can't really follow someone that doesn't do cardio and you think you can't do it. You have to do cardio, and make sure you do it at least 3 times a week. Diet is essential, guys. Now, you don't have to go crazy and be eating steamed chicken breast and steamed fish, blah blah blah, but you need to maintain a clean diet that includes salads, grilled fish, grilled chicken, that kind of stuff. Make sure it's clean. Keep your carbs moderate and keep the fats down a little bit. Do you train your abs? You need to do it 3 to 4 times a week, the minimum. So make sure you hit abs every other day, in my book, and that really works. If you stay on it, you'll see it. Variety, guys, is key for me because that means you mix up your exercises. You want to do everything, something for upper, something for lower, something for your obliques. Make sure you tie them all in. You do different exercises. I like to do 3 or 4 exercises, something from upper, something from lower, something for my obliques, and just mix it up. Best one, I think, and most important, is to train abs on an empty stomach, because you can contract your abs a lot more when you train it on an empty stomach. Try to do it first thing in the morning, maybe last thing before you go to bed. a day. Make it a habit, guys. Don't be lazy. Don't have excuses. Do it. No excuses.